Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Windex Glass and Window Cleaner. If you want a tried and true original formula to clean, brighten, and shine all the glass in your home, then you must choose Windex Original Glass Cleaner. For best result, you must follow some steps, that is, rotate nozzle on Windex bottle to on position. Spray and wipe with a dry paper towel or lint-free cloth. Try to use a microfiber cloth, some paper towels will leave lint. Clean glass surfaces from top to bottom to prevent dripping on glass that has already been cleaned. Clean windows on a cloudy day so the sun does not prematurely dry the formula. Cleans the following surfaces as windows, glass, mirrors, sealed marble, sealed granite, stainless steel, chrome, UV protected windows, factory installed low E coated windows, lead or flint glass, lucite, tile, plastic, vinyl, aluminum, ceramics, and more. Starts working on smudges, smears, dirt, and grime even before you wipe. Our second best window cleaner is Better Life Natural Streak-Free Glass Cleaner. This natural, unscented glass cleaner creates a film-free finish on bathroom mirrors and many other kinds and leaves a dazzling shine in its wake. Earthy's product works on glass, windows, mirrors, plexiglass, auto glass, treated windows, light fixtures, chrome and acrylic. Our natural window and glass cleaner kicks fingerprints, greasy smudges, rain spots, and dirt to the curb without streaks or stinging scents. After all, a clear view goes better with a breath of fresh air. Spray it on glass, plexiglass, auto glass, windows, tinted windows, light fixtures, chrome, acrylic, mirrors, magic mirrors, glass slippers, or other reflective fairy tale objects. For details, let's watch more. Third choice in our list is Rejuvenate No Scrub Soap Scum Remover. The non-abrasive formula is super easy to use, no scrubbing required. Just spray it on, rinse it off, and marvel at the streak-free, sparkly clean finish. Rejuvenate is ideal for shower doors with a buildup of soap scum. This soap scum remover is bleach-free and easy to use every day on natural stone, plastic, chrome, porcelain, ceramic tile or fiberglass as a shower cleaner or bathtub cleaner. Just spray, wait 3 minutes, then rinse clean to remove tough soap scum on contact with no scrubbing. This best soap scum remover leaves behind a streak-free finish and is the bathroom, faucet, best shower cleaner, and bathtub cleaning product you will use forever. Previous award winner from Family Circle and Better Homes and Gardens. This cleaner not only removes soap scum with ease, but it also has no added fragrances. This cleaner does not leave behind any residue, only a scum-free surface. For details, let's watch more.
Is designed to instantly eliminate soap scum, leaving your bathroom with a streak-free shine. This non-abrasive, bleach-free, odorless formula removes the toughest soap scum on contact without scrubbing. With Rejuvenate, your shower has never looked so good. Rejuvenate is excellent to use on glass, ceramic tile, plastic, chrome, porcelain, stone, and more. Removing tough soap scum is easy with Rejuvenate. Just spray Rejuvenate directly onto the surface and allow to penetrate for 2 to 3 minutes. Remember, there's no scrubbing needed ever. Now, rinse the area thoroughly and allow to dry. And just like that, your bathroom is showroom new. Here's the before and after. Rejuvenate Soap Scum Remover is a non-abrasive, bleach-free formula designed to instantly wipe away soap scum. From Rejuvenate, make it new again. Made in the USA.
Number 4 in our side is Stoner Invisible Glass Cleaner Spray. The Invisible Glass Clear Dry formula contains no streaky soaps, scents, or dyes. Absolutely zero residue on your glass, just invisible glass. This 32 ounces spray pump bottle makes it easy to squeeze out every drop of glass cleaner for a brilliant shine on all glass surfaces. Unique invisible glass formula contains no ammonia, so it's perfect for use on tinted and non-tinted glass. Use it at home, on stainless steel appliances, in the car, on the boat, at the office, and more. It's impressively streak-free, and the formula can be used on both clear and tinted windows. Once it's dry, there will be no streaks or smudges in sight. The clean formula is also free of dye, fragrance, ammonia, and artificial preservatives. Let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best window cleaner list is Wyman Glass Cooktop Cleaner. If you have a glass cooktop and you've been using a multi-purpose kitchen cleaner on it, you'll be amazed at what a difference the Wyman Glass Cooktop Cleaner can make. This non-abrasive product lifts burnt food, discoloration, and stains without much scrubbing effort. Wyman Heavy Duty Glass and Ceramic Cleaner in Polish is specially formulated to remove grease, grime, dirt and fingerprints, while also made to easily cut through the toughest burned on food and baked stains, allowing you to achieve the perfect results your home deserves. A unique, non-toxic formula, safe to use regularly on any smooth top range, electric flat top grill, induction grill and all radiant, halogen glass, ceramic or glass cooktops. This product cleans and polishes with passion to reveal the superior shine of your countertop surfaces, making the Wyman Heavy Duty Glass Cooktop Cleaner and Polish an essential for everyday treatment. Wyman Products is the perfect home, chef, pro, scratch resistant, cleansing, household, professional, and at work solution for all of your cooktop cleaning and buffing needs. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.